My name is Darren Gertis, and if you can give me 2 minutes, I can help you become a better instructor. That time of the semester again where we have to do our midterm grades, and so I just want to show you very quickly how to get where you're trying to go. So go into your Genza bar and then click on faculty, and when you do, click on grade entry, and then you're going to enter your grades here. You're just going to click on any one of these classes, and it'll look something like this. I blocked this out to protect the student names and IDs, and you just go in there and you select and give that midterm grade whatever it is. Okay, it says midterm grade, and then you give whatever the appropriate letter or letter grade is. Okay, so now I want to show you something else as well. So to make it easy to make this kind of light work, what I do is I give kind of a an average grade of some sort. I do this. Now this is out of the screen intentionally, so you can't see the names again, but here you see total, and then you have average so far. So I create this running average, and I do it by doing this. So here I'm going to show you what you do. You go to create a calculated column, and then you say average column, and you click on there. And you just put, I say your grade average so far, and then I just have it display as a percentage and all grades. Now I don't have it, I don't include it in the grade center calculation. There's no need to do that. And you can do this a couple of ways, as a running total or not running a total. As a running total only includes items that have grades or attempts. And so yeah, that's what we want to do. I want to show you what your average is up to this point, not the 30% that we've done over the semester, but of that 30%, what have we actually done? And then I click submit. Now when I click submit, it's going to go to the very end of the grading spreadsheet. So I'm going to scroll all the way over to the end, and whoops, went too far, and your grade so far, your grade average so far is at the end. So now what I need to do is I need to manage. I go to column organization, and then I'm going to grab this at the very bottom, and I'm going to drag it up so that they can see where it is. Okay, and I'm going to put it right next to the total grade. Click submit, and now it shows them what's your grade average so far. Let's go back to the beginning. And right next to it, you're seeing, hey, you have so many points. You have whatever the grade is that's related to the points so far. Okay, so that's all you need to do. And then you go back into here and you can pop in your grade very easily. So I hope that's helpful, and make sure you get your grades in on time. The registrar will be very happy if you do. So that's all for now. If you're a CSU faculty member and you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to serve you.